friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new biscuit review. And in today's video I am going to review a biscuit that I picked up from the supermarket yesterday, which is a Duke's Bourbon. So this is another bourbon biscuit in the market right now, which is from Duke's. Duke's is known for their the cream wafers that they come, and for their wafer rolls. And now they have come up with a bourbon biscuit as well. So today we are going to review the Duke's Bourbon Biscuit. So starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in a plastic pouch here, and right here is the Duke's branding and the bourbon branding right across it. And then we can see the illustration of the Duke's Bourbon shown here, where they are shown biscuits and then a chocolate cream right in the middle of it. So it says premium flavored sandwich biscuits. And the packaging is brown in color, which resembles chocolates. Moving on the side, again we have the Duke's branding, bourbon branding, and the illustration here. We have a similar thing on this side, but along with the branding here is the net weight of the product, which is 150 grams, and the MRP of the Duke's Bourbon is ₹30. So MRP is ₹30 for 150 grams, and yeah. Moving on to the back of the pack, here they are given the best before date as 9 months from packaging, and here are the various addresses that they are given. If we pull up the script here are the nutritional facts mentioned, and here are the ingredients mentioned here. So let's go ahead and open this packet and see how does the Duke's Bourbon look like. Now we'll unbox it. Let's quickly tear it open. Talking about the packaging, the Duke's Bourbon comes only in a plastic packaging on the outside. There's no other container or anything inside. As a result, it has come broken. So yeah, coming from the texture of the biscuit, texture is similar to other bourbons available in the market. There's not much difference. It's coated with sugar, like all other bourbon biscuits. It's coated with sugar, and then there's chocolate cream in the middle. Here you can see the chocolate cream in the middle of the biscuit. So let's go ahead and do a quick taste test of the Duke's Bourbon Biscuit. Taste wise, it is pretty similar to the other bourbon biscuits available in the market. Nothing extravagant about it, nothing less about it. Taste is absolutely same as the Britannia bourbon or your Sunfish bourbon or any bourbon that's available in the market. There's good amount of cream in it. The biscuit is nice and crispy. So yeah, overall I like the taste of the biscuit. It's pretty good and compared to the other bourbons available. The only thing I didn't like was the packaging of the product. I expected it to have a packaging similar to the Britannia bourbon, which comes in a nice plastic container so that the bourbon biscuits don't break. So hence I would rate this 3 on 5 because quite a few biscuits have been broken in the packaging. So yes guys, overall taste is, there's no difference in this except the packaging should have been better here. So that's my review on the Duke's Bourbon. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing biscuit reviews.